Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 20th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. The only data to be released was the monetary policy meeting minutes, and the main message there, the conclusion from those minutes, was that the board would continue to monitor developments. They did, however, remind us that having already delivered a substantial monetary stimulus in recent months, there was a case to wait and assess the effects of that stimulus, especially given the long and variable lags that may take in the market. That was the main message. So all in all, it's continued to monitor the situation. They did leave the door open, and they are of an understanding that they could provide further easing, but the main message at the moment is let's wait and see. Effect on the Aussie dollar yesterday, not too much. It did drop down a little bit at that news release. It did recover. Overall, Aussie dollar had a positive day against the US dollar yesterday. All right, time now to have a look at our chart of the day. Firstly, let me remind you the chart that I showed you yesterday was a GBP USD on a daily timescale. Now, I said let's wait and see if we can produce the pattern that we're looking for. Consequently, this is what's happened. We have now produced the inside candle reversal pattern right here, which is on the hot zone. So we can place our pending order at the break of the inside candle in the downward direction. Now remember, if it does not come and break it and instead goes up and breaks the upside, then you need to cancel your pending order. It would mean that it's no longer a trade. We wouldn't have done any damage, as we would not have been triggered in the trade. Okay, so there you have it. We have a pending order. Let's see if we get triggered. Short GBP USD daily timescale is our chart of the day this morning. What's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Well, the first bit of news happens after midnight our time. It's at 12:30 from Canada. It's a CPI numbers which are due, and the only other significant data release happens at 6 o'clock in the morning. Before I speak to you next from the US, it's the FOMC meeting minutes. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.